In this video, we'll show you how to use AI to spot profitable investment opportunities. This is the beginning of Theme 6, Advanced AI Applications. This is all about AI-powered real estate investment analysis. Stay tuned. So we've just concluded Theme 5, which is all about improving operations and automation. Now, in this new theme, today's the first session from Theme 6, which is all about advanced AI applications. And the focus for today will be utilizing AI to identify profitable investment opportunities. The objectives for today's session are to understand the role of AI in real estate investment analysis, to explore how AI tools identify profitable investment opportunities. Let's learn about key features of AI-powered investment platforms, gain insights into implementing AI for investment analysis within your business, and grasp the value proposition of auto-reader AI in supporting AI implementation. Now, what are the challenges of the traditional way of predicting property values? One is the reliance on limited data sets, because humans doing the valuations or small machines or spreadsheets doing that analysis would naturally be reliant on limited data sets, not enough data sources to consider. The second is subjectivity and human bias in the decision-making process. So if you don't have enough information, or if you're not considering all the relevant data points sufficiently, then your decision is probably skewed or incorrect. Then it's also time consuming for a human going through that entire process. And then there's a difficulty in predicting the market trends and rental income. You're essentially guessing, or you're reliant on some of your experience, which may not always be correct. Now, when you introduce AI, you have the opportunity to leverage vast amounts of data. You can look at market trends, demographics, property listings. You can employ machine learning to learn the algorithms that would help you predict what's likely to happen in the future. And right now, the machine learning is all the rage. There is a lot of information, and there's a huge opportunity for those who are quick off the mark to take advantage of the benefits that you're likely to encounter as a result of taking advantage of AI and machine learning. And AI therefore provides us with the objective insights into, to optimize investment decisions. So with the traditional method, it was subjective. With the AI powered one, is objective. It's objective because it's reliant on actual data, reliant on facts. And then using that information, you're able to identify hidden opportunities that you might otherwise have missed because you don't have access, or you didn't have access to all of the information. So how does AI identify the profitable opportunities? Well, it analyzes vast amounts of data, and through that analysis, it can detect patterns, it can detect the trends, and that is what you're reliant on. That's the unspoken advantage, or the phrase is there's an advantage that you have, the unfair advantage. That's the phrase. So you're able to predict future market performance and rental income performance just based on the data that you've looked at. So rental income potential, and what that translates to is, obviously, if the data it remains the same, and now those trends can predict what's likely to come. But if you have black swan events, or events that are not factored into the data, then it could also be counterproductive, as we've discovered with Zillow. One of their business arms had to close because the machine learning model they were using to predict future prices did not factor in the 2 years that we were hit by the pandemic. So that's a downside to it. But in general terms, the information that you get access to with AI and the information that AI can be trained on gives you that unfair advantage. So it also identifies undervalued properties with high growth potential, and it can use machine learning to refine your investment strategies over time. So the key features of investment platforms are: one, interactive dashboards. And these dashboards, I think this is fairly standard with pretty much all of these tools. They show you the trends. They present everything in nice graphs and pie charts and bar charts and that sort of thing. And you're able to see what the trends are like and what's likely to happen in the next 5 years, 10 years, 2 years, depending on the portal that you're subscribed to. You can also customize the filtering on those portals, filter by location, price, and property type. Then there's predictive analytics, which gives you the future market performance and rental income. And that's what should or could inform your investment plans and your investment strategies. And the final one's the automated reports they can generate through these portfolios to automatically email you changes and track performance of certain areas you're interested in. So how would you implement AI in your business? You need to follow a structured plan. That way, you know if you are actually getting the benefits and the advantages that you hoped for when you decided to go down the AI-powered route. So the step-by-step process would be, firstly, define your investment goals. So what property types are you interested in? What's your risk tolerance? What are your desired returns on investment? Because you can use that to determine if something meets or qualifies your criteria, or otherwise you discard them. Second, select the AI platform that aligns with your needs and your budget. So in a subsequent session, we'll go through some of the popular platforms that we've looked at and that you can consider. So for instance, in the UK, we've got a platform called Property Data. That's quite good. In America, you've got Zestimate, you've got Realise. These are all platforms that do almost similar things, but depending on what your needs are, you'd pick one over the other. And you can contact us, autore.ai, visit our website and reach out, and we can work together to get the actual tool that works for your business and would help you achieve your goals. So integrate your existing data sources with the AI platform, so your property listings, your market trends, and your CRM system to work out how long things have stayed on the market, what were the price changes during the duration that you had the property on your books for. So all of these information or metadata would help you design the solution that would work for you. So train and customize the AI model based on your investment criteria. So the training of AI models is not so straightforward, but it's something that we can help you with. It's not a cheap process, but sometimes the returns would far outweigh the cost of doing the training and of working with partners. And then you need to continuously monitor and refine your approach. And in a lot of these AI tools and AI solutions, there needs to be an aspect of monitoring and refining your solution so that you're always ahead of the game and you're always you've got your finger on the pulse. So autore.ai can partner with you in this journey, especially with these really high-end AI-powered solutions. So they're not high-end because of the cost, they're high-end because they're at the cutting edge of technology, and it's giving you that advantage that you need, something to place you ahead of the competition. So we are a team of AI specialists, and we're dedicated to supporting the real estate sector and dedicated to supporting your business in your journey or your quest to implement AI within your business. So we offer a range of services, so custom AI model development, data integration and management, ongoing maintenance and support. And we can also do the training and provide workshops to empower your team. So this session is sort of a kind of a workshop and training that your team can go through to begin with, so that it sets their mind on the journey and the course that you are taking. So the key takeaways from today's session are that AI can revolutionize your real estate investment analysis by offering objective insights from vast data sets. So you need to have the data, and depending on how long you've been in business for, you'd have some information that can be used to train some AI models. Secondly, AI platforms empower you to identify profitable opportunities. So this is where you use the data and the benefit of data that you have to determine what properties to invest in, what areas to go into before the rest of the market joins you and makes it less profitable. Implementing AI is a strategic step. towards data-driven decision making in your business. So that's key. Then finally, Autoread.ai can be your partner. We're ready to work with you in navigating this AI world, and we'll provide our expertise and support you to ensure that the deployment within your business is successful. So partner with us. We are Autoread.ai. We provide automation services to help grow your business and increase your revenue. We provide chatbots to boost engagement within your business. What does that mean? It means that when people communicate with you via your website or your socials, there is something that's responding to them appropriately and intelligently. So we're utilizing AI-powered chat interfaces for your business. It can be customized to your data and your industry alone. You can reach out to us via our website, autoread.ai, or send an email to uwa@autoread.ai. Not forgetting the socials, Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn. And please, on this video, place a comment, ask any questions you might have, or even watch yesterday's session and the sessions before that. There's so much information now on the website, that on our channel on YouTube, that I think by the time you've gone through 4, 5, 6, you'd want to reach out for us to have a discussion and help grow your business. So until next time, thank you for your time and keep winning.